brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know. A couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. Saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me that look, take a bow, already know.
Well, hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and I figured I'd do a day. Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Hello. Yeah, say hi.
Hi. Wake up.
I figured I'd do a day in the life, but a raw, what happens literally from the moment we wake up till the moment we go to bed. So it's gonna be snippets of our day. And as you saw, we already did breakfast. I woke up at 7:30 because that's when my youngest wakes up first. And then we had breakfast. I did their breakfast at 8 o'clock. They ended up eating at 8:30. Then I took a shower from 8:30 to 9. I have not done my makeup yet. That's literally the last thing. I packed my son's lunch and at 9:30 is when I drop him off at school. So I have a couple more minutes now to finish getting ready, sort some things out here, change diapers, and yeah, we're on our way to school. After I get back from school is usually when I do my makeup because I'm still struggling on waking up early in the mornings. I'm trying, I'm getting a little better. 7:30 is much better from my usual wake up time. That used to be like 9:30. So slowly but surely I feel like the magic number is 7. That's gonna be the magic wake up number once my other daughter starts going to school, because I figured out that getting 2 kids ready in the morning is not easy and I need more time. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this day started. Today is grocery delivery day, so we're gonna put all of these away. I love getting my Walmart groceries delivered. It just makes my life 10 times easier. So the next task is to clean the kitchen because all of breakfast stuff is still there, and clean the fridge and put these away. And in case you're wondering, no, I still have not put on my makeup. It's always like one of the last things I do. I really need to try to wake up a little bit earlier for that reason. Every morning, the first task is to empty our dishwasher because I make sure every night we run it. Even if there is a couple of plates, a couple of silverware, it's always nice to just wake up to nice, fresh dishes. And that is something that we always make sure we do, is put on that dishwasher the night before so that the next day I can empty it, put everything away, and then I go ahead and start cleaning all the dishes from breakfast. Once I do that, I place them in the dishwasher and move on to whatever task I have that day. But this literally is an everyday thing. This specific day, I did order the Walmart groceries as you saw, so I went ahead and also cleaned the fridge. And I found my noise canceling headphones recently, and I've been putting them on, and it has been life-changing. Sometimes the kids can really overstimulate you because they're just running left and right, screaming, being kids, playing. And I put on some music this day and just jammed out, literally to do all my chores. I cleaned the fridge, I was singing my little heart out, and it definitely made me less stressful than usual because my kids are at the age where they're just running all over the house, screaming and going nuts while they play, that it can be overstimulating for me. So I just put on my little headphones, put some music. We have a Alexa camera for the backyard, so if they're in the backyard, I put the monitor on our Alexa and I'm able to see them periodically while I'm doing my chores. It has been life-changing. So any earbuds, noise-canceling headphones, mommies, use them because it makes a world of a difference.
Got you smiling, that's for sure. Funny how you had the best of love. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. Dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. 2 a.m. and you lost your friends. Pretend I don't know how this night will end. I feel your heartbeat, the DJ plays. Oops, I did it again. I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. Dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'll be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say. That's the night away.
All right. I've been having a jamming session while cleaning and organizing. We semi have everything organized. I still have to tackle these strawberries, clean the waffle maker, and some bottle nipples that I bought. And soon it's time to pick up my son. So I have 40 minutes left, and then we're gonna start lunch. At around 1 o'clock is when my daughters go down for nap time. And I might run an errand really quickly to Burlington because I gotta return some stuff with my son. When I pick him up, it's just easier for me to just go and do those things than when I go with 3 kids. But yeah, later on is really the mopping. The mopping I always do after they go to sleep. Actually, my husband does that with our little machine. When I really truly mop, it's on the weekends. I never do it during the week because it's impossible with 3 kiddos. So during the weekend, my husband can take them, go outside, they can go to grandparents, and I have more time. Bottle? Oh, you tired? Someone's tired.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into
lunches are not crazy sometimes, and this was one of those days where I just had a lot to do that morning that the lunch had to be plain and simple. So I made some stir-fry vegetables that had onion, peppers, asparagus, zucchini, squash, and I added a little bit of Mrs. Dash lemon pepper seasoning with some seared pork chops that I made with salt, pepper, and some badilla seasoning with some leftover rice from the day before. Plain and simple.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
After all the cleaning is done and the kitchen is nice and clean, I have my little tea. This is what I like to call my tea time, where I make myself a cup of tea and read my book. I have recently been reading again, and you guys, I'm so excited. I used to be a really big reader. I mean, since I was little, I used to go to the library all the time. My parents would take me once a week, and I just grew up with books. But once social media came around, it completely stopped. And this year, one of my goals was to read books, and I wanted to read 4 books. And guess what? I am on book number 6. So this tea time is kind of like my me time, even though the kids are running all around. It is time for a workout. It is currently 6 o'clock, and as you guys know, I am working towards a triathlon, which means I need to bike, swim, and run, and today we're gonna focus on biking for 45 minutes. I think we're gonna go towards a park, and hopefully we can do 45 minutes. My bike is messed up. It's like stuck on like hard gear. It's not like the hardest, but it is stuck on a kind of a difficult gear that when I do bike for a long period of time can be a little difficult. So we'll see how far I can make it. Maybe I'll be able to move the gear a little more, but I don't know. I tried once and it didn't work. I need to get a new bike. So I was able to read a little bit. I also drank my tea. It was a good 20 minutes, maybe 15. I don't think it even was 20 minutes, like 15 minutes. And now I got all the kids ready and we're gonna go do this bike ride.
I ain't afraid of the dark, 'cause once you let the light in, you won't see the beautiful stars shining down from afar. No, I ain't afraid of the dark. I don't mind the rain, bringing life back. We can breathe again when dealing with the pain. No, I don't mind.
We made it back. We did 6.25 miles in 50 minutes. So yes, not bad. Not bad at all. And now we're going to order some tacos because today is Taco Tuesday and we always have Tijuana Flats. So that is what we're going to do. After that, it is followed by good old bath time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is literally a day in the life of me with 3 little kiddos. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore the life. Bye!